Upgrade your Dodge Ram 1500 truck and tackle any off-road adventure with confidence. Introducing the 4-inch lift kit for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. Brought to you by Auto Parts for Less, your global network of trusted auto parts sellers. Designed and manufactured by Tuff Country, a renowned name in suspension lift kits, this kit will transform your truck into a true off-road beast. Fit up to 35-inch x 12.5-inch tires on your Ram 1500 with the combination of new upper control arms, coil strut spacers, sway bar drop brackets, and bump stop relocation brackets. The rear end is raised using rear coil spring spacers, ensuring precise alignment. Made in the USA, Tuff Country prioritizes quality components and offers a limited lifetime warranty. This kit is designed for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 4WD models, excluding Rebel, rear air ride suspension, 3.6 V6, and Mega Cab models. Transform your truck today with the 4-inch lift kit from Auto Parts for Less.